Hi. So it turns out you're kind of eating my apple, you know? I'm not really thrilled about that. Yeah, you see that? You see those apples? Those are meant for me. Mm-hmm. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get that one before you guys eat that one too. Got it? I'll take that as yes. There's something a little different about this week. We've made it to the final week of the summer learning program. And after all the work, all the reading, the writing, the maths, the assignments, the miles, and all the time spent around this table, the finish line is finally close. And the boys know exactly what's waiting for them on the other side. The phones. Those rewards have been sitting there in the distance all summer, promised to everyone who puts in the work and successfully makes it through. And this Saturday, for those who get everything done and finish strong, that moment finally arrives. But before anybody gets too excited, there's still a week to go. One more week of getting up, sitting down at the table, opening the books, finishing the assignments, running the laps, and doing what needs to be done, even when the reward is close enough to almost reach. And I think that's probably the hardest part of any goal, when you can see the finish line, but you're not quite there yet. There's also something a little bittersweet about it all, because this routine has become such a big part of our summer. These boys have spent so much of their time learning, working together, helping each other, and pushing through what probably felt like a very long summer at times. Soon, this table is going to look a little different. The school year is just around the corner, summer is winding down, and the freedom and flexibility of these weeks will be replaced by uniforms, classrooms, schedules, homework, and another school year beginning. And honestly, we're ready for it. We're grateful for the summer we've had, grateful for the lessons that came with it, and especially grateful that these boys have been willing to put in the work. But first, one final week. Everything that's been done so far comes down to this. Get through the week, get everything finished, make it to Saturday. And if they can do that, the phones are finally theirs. All right, you ready for the joke of the morning, huh? Knock, knock.
Who is there? Who
Teenagers.
What teenager?
Teenagers,
What they do?
they play by the rules. The rule is, if you take the last of the food,
You wash your pot.
you wash the pot.
Okay.
So, clever elders of teenageville.
They could
Yes,
take a
hold
food
on,
out of
yes.
pot and
You
just
leave
let go.
this. Oh, this is what you leave behind because you don't want to take the last of it. And then, it gets better. Come
You
over
put
here.
everything out of pot.
Oh, no.
You left up with some meat.
Leave two little bony pieces of meat. Therefore, the pot is not your responsibility. That's the teenage joke of the day. Insert the laugh track now.
You take a leave.
They're gonna sit there till you get your stuff done. Craig's idea, not mine. But I kind of like it.
I want to say if me get me done.
Yes, you are not a team, technically. Might share the same name. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, got the 2 miles in today. 9:14, Dave. 9:14. And that was on the second mile. We're catching them very slowly. but surely. But yeah, we're also catching some slack when it comes to our daily responsibilities. And Craig had a great idea because I talked to him about it last week, and I was like, so what do I do when you don't do them? I sit here and I sweat because they run. I haven't even had coffee yet. And he came up with the suggestion that, well, take my phone until it gets done the next day. And here we are on the next day. We'll see what comes of it. Motivation comes in all shapes and sizes. Much like creating shapes for area and perimeter rectangles. So did they segue into the math component? Cool. All right, let me tell you the pros and cons of exercising treadmill in Jamaica. Pros, early morning, get up there, get it done, tackle it, get the sweat going, then you get a cold shower because obviously the sun hasn't heated the tank all night. And you think that's going to cool you off? No. You sit outside under the fan and realize this was not a two-tone shirt. But so you got to go through like the first shirt, what you're wearing when you're running, and then you take a cold shower and you put on another shirt, and that's like the soaker. And then you go get another shirt after the soaker's soaked, and then you start your day. with coffee, of course. Getting it down. Just passed Andre. 9:14. That was on the second mile, so did a couple miles today. Slowly but surely gonna pick them off one by one. Very slowly, because there's a big gap between 9:14 and I think Craig's was 7 something, so we'll see how it goes. Speaking of going places, we're heading out. We're doing it. We're making a Kingston run today. Gonna go check in with one of our loyal subscribers. I believe a care package might be in the works. Excited to go pick that up down in Kingston. Of course, we go to Kingston, we got to go stop by PriceSmart. You never know. I mean, you know if you go online. I was actually the other day, they sent me an email, good old PriceSmart, opening up a shop in Montego Bay soon-ish. Not any closer to where we live, but they have like little images and pictures for each of the subcategories. And one of the categories was like electronics and whatever. And it had a e-bike on it, and I was just like, and then I click on it and it brings you to that category of electronics and toys or whatever, maybe a sporting goods, I don't know. Either way, you clicked on it, you got to the website, there was no e-bike. It was just like a stock image. Yeah. We got homework to do, a lot of homework to do, because we went out and met up with another subscriber of ours yesterday. We're busy, we're going places. School's starting soon, and we got to get all of our visits in line and order, and had a great time with them. But then work didn't get done, so we're gonna make up for it today and see what comes of it. I'm scared too. Great, next room. Oh, great. Alright, just like that, the water gods have turned on the water. Help refill some rainwater. Why not? A little spritz, a little freshen, you know. So, I'll take it. You know, you're getting old when you're like, that's a beautiful sound. Listen carefully. Kids have been using it for one's laundry. But I also noticed my brooder's out. Uh-oh. Yeah, she's like, wait. Yeah, you're out here. I know, I see you. So if you're out here, no, don't do it. Oh, I put a chicken in there yesterday. Thank you. Yeah, okay, you take over, Nana. But this egg is mine. Thank you. Wait, chill. Exactly. Breakfast is served. Okay. Mars, you good? You have a rough night? I told you to put the juice down, bro. I told you. You didn't want to listen. Little juice coma. You're not smiling. You're not smiling. All right, good talk. Bye. Wow. Meanwhile,
Huh?
we have the PriceSmart conversation.
Anyway.
Is there anything in particular you were PriceSmarting for?
Probably need one shelf.
Oh boy.
Put my...
Put stuff on.
No, clothes on. Church clothes on.
You need your... Honey,
No, I'm not.
you have a 3-drawer dresser.
And then every time I tell them up, then crush up, I have to go and some of them can't even know.
Oh, you want one of those closets? No? Where's the shelf gonna go?
If we get the closet, then when I put that.
That's
You know,
right.
so there are some built-in closet here, just put in a closet.
Yeah, they do.
You come with door and everything. There's nothing like a built-in or nothing.
Who has that?
I tell them they're friends still, but they don't friends. They just have a closet and just shove them in.
Oh, I'm gonna go for the samples. We'll see what free samples they got.
They told me about free samples.
Oh, you're going?
Huh?
That's funny.
Uh-huh.
Where are you going? Oh. Okay,
What is?
we'll figure it out. Well, this is my protein smoothie because I ran this morning. The only thing you ran this morning is your mouth. No, I'm not stopping no noise. Junior's vacuuming. Plenty of noise for everybody. Oh wait, go get your math. Let's get this done. No, Andre. No.
Why?
You know why. Don't do it. Walk away, sir. Get your math. Let's go. I know. So the other day, got a commenteer asking if we could check out a place nearby us that was for sale. And so we did. Drove by there yesterday, had a for sale sign on the gate. And it actually looked like a pretty interesting place. Check it out. Yeah, this is the Hopewell unit, 139. It is 2.7 acres, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. A bit of a fixer-upper, but aesthetically outside looks pretty fantastic. but as you can see, cosmetically needs. They got wallpaper, and you know, Jamaica colors. So, and let me tell you, look at that. That is that's art right there. That is art. Either way, yeah, property itself looked pretty and yellow. Wow. Interesting property because it's 2.7 acres, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, concrete. 226 USD, 226,000. And again, we drove by there yesterday. The sign says for sale. The website says still for sale. I checked like 3 different websites. Nothing about pending offers or under contract, which most of them do say. This one just says for sale. And it's been for sale since September 2025. So, you know, thinking there's some possible negotiation room, potential future farmhouse, who knows? And then I emailed, or I texted Mr. Dorian, the realtor. I was like, hey, wonder if we could check out this place. And then I waited, and I waited, and I waited. I mean, it was like one day, but it felt like forever. And Dorian just texted me back last night and said, that place, that beautiful place for sale of potential future farmhouse or anybody else interested in the Highgate area was already sold and no longer available. And I said, bummer. Interesting opportunity, but a little disappointing that, you know, it could be misleading when you can't just click on the button that says no longer for sale or take off the listing. But either way, an interesting, something to think about. Yeah, properties. If you guys, see any properties nearby and want some insights, let us know. We'll go check them out because we drove by this. This one was 13 minutes away and looked interesting. But it's not available. We tried. Oh well. we'll keep searching. All right. Doing great, Dave. Doing great. Gentlemen and lady, we're off to Kingston. We got a package to pick up. We got a PriceSmart to deliver. To go. And guess who's going for the free samples?
Me.
I think Sonia's going. All right, Kingston, here we go. Eagle has landed. What do we got? Where'd it go? Oh, you're not the eagle. Thank you. Oh, it's a wet one. God. Anyway, I guess we have to go to Wendy's? No?
Yes,
You don't want to go to Wendy's?
Yes,
PriceSmart first or Wendy's?
PriceSmart doesn't open until 11.
Okay, Wendy's then.
Why are we going to Wendy's? Hey, this is a mission scientific project. Sonia doesn't believe me that the burgers at Wendy's have square patties. So I'm going to go get a burger at Wendy's to prove my point.
Because a square patty.
The meat patty at Wendy's is square.
I never see it.
All right, there's only one way to find out. What are you going to get at Wendy's?
Burger King.
Burger. You can't get Burger King at Wendy's, dude. You gotta get burger with no king.
Chicken and fries.
Chicken and fries.
Yeah.
Nuggets.
Yeah, chicken, fries and nuggets.
Fries with nuggets. You don't want nuggets and fries. You want fries with nuggets. Okay, bye. All right, Sonia, look at that patty. Look at that patty. What do you see, dear? What do you see? Come on, dear. It's a square patty. It's a square patty. And now we know. Science. You'll be okay. You got a square patty too? Oh, it's a little square patty. Wow. Really? That's how you do it, huh? That'll work? Okay.
It's good.
Does it taste like a square patty? Yeah.
It's like a burger.
Square burger? Yo. What? They gave you too much? You want to go complain? Go tell them. Go bring it back to them and tell them they gave you too much. Alright, I'm joking. I'll bring it here. We'll take care of it. Hi. It's a few side. Excuse me, miss. You guys gave me too much. They gave you too much? Alright. Well, thank you for sharing. But you're going to be hungry, bro, because what is this? What is this? You sampled every single one of them? What happened?
Yes, I think
Junior, do you see all that food you got to sample? You sample your food. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And a frosty. And a frosty.
What do you mean my sample them?
It means you took a bite out of every nugget. Who does that? Who takes a bite out of every nugget?
Me and Never can give.
Oh, thank you. Okay, well, let's finish up because we gotta get out of here. Okay. You want one?
Yeah.
Take a bite. Bite. What? What do you mean? Wow, really? It's so good. You don't like raw onions? Come on.
Again.
Onion.
No. That's wrong. Really?
Man. Oh well. Come on, Junior. You got to get all that stuff, man. That's not done. That's not done. Yeah. Come on, that's 3 more bites. Yeah, come on, big man. You needed a frosty. You got this. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody else, clear your plates. Good old Junior here. You're gonna eat them. All right. Okay. You can do it. Go for it. Nice. Yeah, use that napkin because wow. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Bye. All right, I think I found my favorite time to come to Kingston. Tuesday mornings. Nice and chill. Okay, next stop.
PriceSmart.
PriceSmart.
PriceSmart. Here we go to PriceSmart. There you go.
See what happens when you have a square patty. Exactly. All right, you guys remember the rules?
Yes.
What's the number 1 rule?
Don't run in.
No talking about PriceSmart. What's the number 2 rule?
No talking about PriceSmart.
Exactly. What's the number 3 rule?
Don't run in.
It's a Fight Club joke.
No,
Anyway, number 3 rule. What happens at PriceSmart stays at
PriceSmart.
PriceSmart.
Can I turn off the car, please?
No, you can't. Here we go.
Paper towel.
Honey,
Where are the party paper towel and stuff?
that's a small paper towel. What?
You can't buy it up.
Honey, no. You have puppies already. Pocket Tunes alarm clock. Put it in before I change my mind. Don't look there. Don't look. No. You're coming with me. You're coming with me. We're leaving. You busted the budget again. Exactly. To not cheap something. Oh boy. We're getting out of here. All right, moment of truth. How much did we spend? You have the receipt?
You have a receipt.
Dave has the receipt. Oh well. I'm pretty 67. 60 what? 62 or $67,000. But in my defense, They finally had black 667 ink, so we stocked up. Got it 4 total. Plenty of printability. And had to get
Helicopter.
an alarm clock that charges phones. Dave had to get one too. Works with iPhone and Android. And Mars had to get, what is it? A helicopter? Whoa. And Andre had to get
Garbage truck.
a garbage truck. Oh, look, it says recycled.
Recycle.
Yes, it's back there. I put it back there, yes. Alright, and now we're gonna get out of here because it's getting busy. Alright, you know what time it is?
Enough time.
Exactly. All right, true story. We didn't just head down to Kingston to shop to our heart's content down at the old PriceSmart. We also had a care package to pick up from one of you guys. So we got to open it because you never know what you're going to get when it comes in a bag in a box. And you get a bag in a box. Oi! Great. Hi, it's us again. That was your cue. We got a box and a bag.
What?
Honey, the box ain't gonna open itself.
Alright, here's the box.
There's the box.
Open the box first.
Right.
Come on, Dre.
Oh my gosh, save the bag though. We need trash bags. We have standards.
This is soap.
It's what? Soap? Oh, I don't know. What kind of soap?
And I was right.
Ooh, Sunlight. Original fresh. Woo. Well done on the tape job so the cap doesn't come off. Oh. Wow. Palm olive. That's a lot of soap. And someone's having French fries tonight. And a bag.
And the next bag.
What's in the bag, Mars? Just in time. Just in time. Let me, honey, I'll share. Thank you. Extra virgin olive oil. Morris. I don't know if it'll come out. Oh my goodness. Hiya! Basmati.
Rice. Rice. Ang ganda kaki.
Ooh, Timmy Hortons, French vanilla.
And toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
And another
Ultra fresh.
toothpaste.
Another toothpaste.
Another peanut butter.
Another peanut butter. And
So,
Ivory. Oh my. Body wash. Another toothpaste. That's a body wash.
and look here.
Oh, we having ham. We're having ham. What is that?
Who's having ham?
What is this?
Who's having
It's not in English. Oh yeah, it is. Flaked like tuna in water.
So what you
More coffee. Oh boy.
Yonder.
Nice, Junior.
Syrup.
Yay! You know we got pancake mix. Okay. What a haul. Some more?
Here's our ham.
There's more ham.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go buy corned beef.
Oh, there's corned beef. Oh, fancy.
More stuff.
And film here.
And more ham.
Or
Oh my goodness.
3
We might have to have a
More
Thanksgiving after.
toothpaste.
Oh my gosh, she's not messing around. And more toothpaste.
You need to stop with the foolishness.
Oh, this one's got the mint fusion breath strips.
That's why Junior wants it.
I bet it does. But Junior needs a
We can
toothbrush.
get it.
We can share. It's toothpaste. Yes. Corned beef over there.
No, you can't get that toothpaste.
Corned
You
beef.
need that too hard. They're not putting in like breast teeth.
Wow.
I never give you to them, man. Again.
Wow.
Never
Hi.
seen you know,
Thank you.
some never
Thank
seen
you.
that soap there before.
Tide? Bar soap? I don't even. Yeah, I'm gonna let you handle that one.
No, they're
So
not
now
getting
just
you.
know.
Okay, yeah. Sonia, what's this other bag?
So,
out.
this
Okay.
bag has some shirts.
Oh.
Okay, there
You're dropping shirts.
Almost
You're dropping shirts on the floor.
say just to give whoever they can pick.
Okay, first up,
Another one. And so there's two.
One to Mario.
Mario! Come here! Okay.
So then,
You can share whoever these can fit. And if you want.
Tyler gets the white shirts. Ironic? I don't know. Cool, cool.
This of
Oh,
yours.
yay. Thank you. Thank you, Sonia.
You're welcome.
What else is in the bag? Ooh, hey.
Then we get
Dresses and
this.
more dresses.
We get-
Junior, can you
Wow.
leave
Do you
those?
even know who this
Junior,
is?
put-
You don't even know who this is?
Martin.
Yeah, this is.
Mickey Mouse.
What?
No, Mickey
this is
Mouse.
a
That's
skirt.
not Mickey Mouse.
Mario. Mario.
It's a me, you're Mario.
To Mario. To Mario.
And Sonia too.
And Sonia shoes.
Sonia.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
And another pack.
And another pack.
Just
Another shoe.
I look here.
What is that? Sonia clothes.
Sonia.
Wow.
These are all dresses.
Sonia.
Wow. We are stocked
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
man. Christmas
No,
is
more,
coming.
more.
I think that's it, man.
No. Martin did it.
What is that? A blouse.
Those.
A dress. A shots. All right,
Thank you.
gentlemen and ladies, what do we say?
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you,
for
thank you.
everything. I
Thank
really
you. Thank
appreciate
you. Thank
it.
you.
And may your store basket never empty. And God keep on blessing you all the time.
All the time
Yes.
with coffee
And tea without
and
sugar.
tea and corned beef and soap and toothpaste and ham.
And this.
What?
And this London.
Oh, and soap. All
I
right.
don't believe in that.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, there comes a time in every woman's life where we separate the girls from the ladies. The wannabes to the gotta have it's. Sonia's gonna try and build this 6-wire cube organizer. All by herself. All by herself. There's pictures. Where's the top and where's the bottom? I don't know. Maris, there's only one thing left to do. What time is it?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah. How's she do, man?
Good.
You think so?
Yeah.
Is it taller than you? Ooh, I think it is. She really did?
No.
It's not? Oh, yeah. Well, you can jump higher. Honey, look at you. You got a round of applause.
mean I shrug your box and loop?
Oh, I know. You know how I know? No, I know because my time-lapse battery died. It took a little while, but hey, slowly but surely, that's what we say. Look like the box? Does it look like the box?
This?
Yeah, is that what that looks like?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And then I put the things them in there.
She did it all by herself?
Yes.
Does she get a high five? Oh, she gets a hug? Does she get a high five too? Careful. Ooh. I knew she could do it. I didn't doubt you for a second, dear. That's all you had to do, huh?
Yeah, and
Okay.
Paper said 5 B and whatever.
Oh boy.
No, they found this.
Okay.
You know, Mart?
You did great, dear.
I'm telling you, whatever.
I'm gonna go check on the chickens. All right. You
See
did
the
great.
5 watch it.
I take your word for it, dear. I gotta go. Hi. So it turns out you're kind of eating my apple, you know. I'm not really thrilled about that. Yeah, you see that? You see those apples? Those are meant for me. Yeah. They're supposed to be in the coop, not on the coop. Well, okay. Well, I'm gonna go get that one before you guys eat that one too. Got it? I'll take that as yes. Okay, just like we practiced. Don't drop the white ones. Don't drop the white ones. Oh. Oh. What do you got? Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm good. All right. Thank you. Cool. Oh, good. Yeah, you want a piece too? Okay, Mario. The last couple days we've been focused on the area of a rectangle, but this is not a rectangle. This is a triangle. If it was a rectangle, it would have that entire space right there. What do you notice about this triangle and that space right there?
Different thing.
Are they the same size or different size?
Same size.
Same size. So, you said this has a 10 by 5, so it should be 50 for the area, correct? Well, the problem is it's only half that space because the triangle doesn't cover that size right there. So, what do we got to do with that 50 to figure out how much of that space is taken up? Right, but we don't have a rectangle, Mario. We have a triangle. We have half that space. So if I have half that space, I need to figure out what is half of 50. Or I need to take that 50 and divide it by 2 because the triangle only takes up half of what that normal rectangle would be. Do you know what 50 divided by 2 is? All right, let's solve it and figure it out.
It was it. It was it.
And then what?
Cried it up, letting all his sponge data.
Is it what?
Sponge data. Pretended.
Suspended.
Suspended bridge.
Nice.
Hello, can beat again.
What?
You write them on me.
No.
Said
No, I'm not. No. Craig's financially motivated. Fastest mile by Saturday. Get some money. We'll see. Oh, are you nervous, Dave? Oh yeah, he's gonna have to go faster than that. He's at 3 minutes. Almost halfway. He's cruising. Oh, he's cruising. Oh no. Oh, there goes an AirPod. Of course. I think he's tired. Oh no. Oh no. Oh he's speeding up. He's speeding up.
Okay, Mart.
What's it at? What's it at?
They are 5:30. I mean,
Oh, he's got till Saturday. He's got till Saturday. Maybe he's just training. All right. Try again tomorrow, Craig. Try again tomorrow. You got till Saturday. Almost. What happened? Not today? Oh, Craig, you got till Saturday, man. Money, money, money. All you gotta do is run. What? You got it? Maybe by Saturday? We'll find out. Mario!
yeah.
Come here. I have bad news.
What? What bad news?
Well, you don't want any. Okay.
Yeah,
good.
me no more, but I say
Oh,
what bad news? I
Bad news is, I feel like I should have to share.
You become like it.
Uh-huh.
You finish, right? No.
I'll go for a cup. Last time, bro.
Oh my god.
It's Olive.
The last one.
Last time.
Ready?
Yep.
Eat it. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. Eat it. Go for it.
Deal.
No, I don't want one. Because I don't eat of it.
It's gone. It's gone. Okay, you do.
Because
Yeah, we're gonna need a break here. Okay.
You know what I did?
No, I just can't do it. Oh, wow. Okay.
But when I'm sitting, I make you.
Others. Yo, how did you get this, man?
By your PriceSmart.
Right, but how did you pay for it?
Spend your money.
With whose money?
Mine.
Your what?
Savings.
Your savings, yeah?
Look.
Yeah. It picks it up? Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, no. It's going. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow. This is what toys do these days, huh?
Oh, pay for the top.
Uh-huh.
I got it. Come on.
Wow. And then it brings it down to? What? You have to do that by hand. What about the... Oh. Of course it lights up. Does it have a horn? Like there's no horn? Beep beep. Oh, that's all we hear with our rubbish truck. How's the back work?
How does this open?
Yeah, what's going on back there? Oh, okay. And what do you put back there?
Garbage bin.
It goes back there?
Yeah, wheels.
It has wheels? Like real wheels?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
What's the return?
Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to go in. Okay, okay.
Let me try this up.
Oh, okay, well. That's... Oh.
Now let's take out the garbage.
Uh-huh.
Then,
Oh, it goes in the top? Oh, you know what that is? It's probably like a chomper, what it does is probably crush the trash or something. Cool. You glad you got it? Yeah?
can I get one trash?
Yeah, I'm sure you'll find trash around here somewhere. I guess so you're glad that you got it, huh? Cool. Man, just when you thought you were getting back into the swing of things, which you are. Threw down at 9. Oh, hi. A 9:13 mile today. On my second mile, so whatever. So I know I can do better. Andre had like a 9:20 something. He came back today, a little arrogance, a little Andre sassiness. Threw down at 8:42. So I got till Saturday to get my behind in gear and show soon-to-be 8-year-olds what an old man can do. Either way, it's been a fun day. We have enjoyed the blessings, enjoyed the adventure, and thank you guys for enjoying it with us. We'll do it again. It's better here next time.